Chatbot security risk a growing concern. The integration of AI chatbot is customer services open a plethora of the opportunities, but also introduces a significant chatbot security risk. These risks range for data breaches to unauthorized access, making it essential for business to implement robust security measures. Understanding and mitigating chatbot security risk is not just but about protecting data. It's about safeguarding your business reputation and customer trust. AI chatbot designed to simulate a human-like interaction are increasingly being adopted across various sectors for their efficiency and ability to handle multiple tasks simulation. However, this increased reliance on AI technology bring to the forefront the issues of the chatbot security risks. As the chatbot process and store a vast amount of personal and sensitive data, they become an attractive target for cyber criminals. The potential for data leakage, identity theft, and unauthorized access to confidential information highlights the urgent need to address chatbot security risk comprehensively. Where do chatbot get their data? A common query that arises is where does the chatbot get its data? The question is directly tied to chatbot security risk, as the source and handling of data determine of the vulnerability of chatbot to security threats. Ensuring that chatbot training data sets are sourced from Screw, reputable sources is crucial in minimizing chatbot security risk. The data utilized by AI chatbot comes from a variety of sources, including customer interaction, business databases, and sometimes public data sets. This data is essential for training chatbot to understand and respond to users' queries accurately. However, the collection, storage, and processing for this data must be handled with the utmost care of the prevent chatbot security risk. Business must implement stringent data protection measures such as the any encryption and secure data storage practices to safeguard against potential branches. Chatbot training datasets and chatbot security risk. The foundation of any complement as AI chatbot is the training datasets. However, this dataset also presents a chatbot security risk for it not handled properly. Securely managing and storing these datasets, its essential is preventing unauthorized access and data leaks, which are the significant chatbot security risk. The quality and the integrity of the chatbot training datasets play a crucial role in the effic- effectiveness and security of the AI chatbot. A well-curated dataset not only improve the chatbot ability to understand and respond to queries, but also reduce the likelihood of the chatbot being manipulated or exploited. The mitigate mitigate chatbot security risk associated with training datasets. Business must adopt robust data governance policies, conduct regular security audits, and ensure compliance with relevant data protections regulations. Is Chat AI safe understanding chatbot security risk?